Hey all, this is me Hack, and in this video we will do a challenge or a CTF or a lab from Pwned Labs. So I will not spoil this one. We will just like start exploring this lab. But a small introduction will be, it's a lab where you have to, well, it's a lab where we have to get where we have to exploit the LFI to somehow like poon the entire S3 bucket. So yeah, so sounds cool, right? So for those like someone who don't know what AWS S3 bucket is, it's like it's just take S3 bucket as a storage, right? Some sort of a storage, like we have like Google Drive. It's like for like AWS, but there's like a lot more use to it, and it's used by a lot of companies. So yeah, like I don't know, like I might have given a really wrong introduction. But hey, let's see what we can do with it, right? So I will also like run an nmap command. So nmap, not map, nmap sc that's sv. I can do like sudo. Um, Should be good to go, I believe. Uh, while nmap scan is running, uh, we probably need to wait for a bit. Um, yeah, so let's wait. By the way, like let me just talk some of promotions, So like I'm thinking to make a video on like cybersecurity 101. So if you have like any queries or something which you would like to see in that video, maybe drop down a comment, or you can tag me on Twitter like hack at the rate hack10101, right? But yeah, like in the meantime, I'm running my nmap scan. For some reasons I can't ping the IP. Wait, yeah, like looks like the lab got down. Nope, the lab is up. Okay, so we can scan this server, and there is like port 80 over here, but for some reasons we can't access it. Okay, so not bad. um yeah, we should be able to access it, right? um yeah, it's strange. um http. Okay, so looks like it's loading. Yeah, so it did load for us. So now we can try to explore it. So there's a login page. We can try like very basic stuff like admin, like default credentials, admin. um Looks like that won't work. Well we didn't get any error, so okay. Admin didn't work. Password, will this work? Okay, so well that doesn't work either. So can I try something like a basic SQLite payload admin 1 equals to 1? This one. uh let's see. Well, this one didn't work, so let's click on sign up, and I can register a user called A, maybe a password of A. Can we log in, bro? Okay, so we got logged in. Wow. So let's see what else we can see over here. Not a lot of functionalities except export CSV. And if I click on it, it should download a file, I believe. Yep, it downloads our files. Okay, so this is cool. Okay, so I shouldn't have logged it, but here. So I will copy this particular IP thingy, and will open this one in my like pub suite. Um, it should have worked, right? Okay, so continue to the site. I don't care about any attackers, bro, because I myself is a hacker. Nah. That's a bad advice, guys. Mm. So it's loading. Um, can I do A? login. Uh, well, the login doesn't work. So yeah, this is crazy. Um, okay, so we have like export CSV thingy again over here. So I can go and intercept on. Can I do it again? Export CSV, buddy. Okay, so wait. Hmm. Invoice session. Okay. Can I can I export the CSV, bro? Well, okay, so there's some error. I don't know, like with Chromium or something. Um, well, that didn't work, so I can definitely get the endpoint, right? So is it like export only? Um, allow done. Export to CSV. Okay, so I can do see some files. Okay, this is cool. Um, now I need to just intercept that, but for some reasons, I don't know why. Like it's working bad, not so good on Verb Suite. Um, if I click again, export to CSV, that doesn't work. I can check the source code, maybe get the link from there. Um, well, that's strange. We do see some API.js code over here. We can definitely explore that. Okay, so there's a function like API slash export, so we can probably try to hit that. Um, I can copy it and then slash download files. Okay, so this is cool. I can go back to my pub suite, history, invoices, send to repeater, and how about I do something like this? Can we see any? Okay, so this method is not allowed for the requested URL. Okay, so can I change the request method post? Um, waiting. You should be redirected to login. Okay, so we are not logged in. Wow. Okay, so I guess this is cool. Can I do like download equals to etc password etc password dot slash etc password. We probably need to log in. Yeah, we probably need to log in. Okay, so cool. How can I log out? I'll probably close the browser and we'll start. Wait, do I have any extension like proxy? Maybe not. Extensions, no, there is no extensions on my browser. Okay, no worries. I can start the browser which is built in this burp suite. mm, can copy the URL, right? Copy the IP, hit it in, and forward. mm, Forward, I believe. Yeah, forward. And then over here, sign up today. So sign up, sign up. Okay, sign up. Um, I can create a user YY. Very secure password, guys. Uh, can I see? Okay, so I can definitely like send it to repeater. Done. Okay, so looks like this time it's gonna work, guys. Uh, wow. Okay, so looks like this time it should work. Format CSV. Send it to repeater. Download file. Okay, so this one is cool. Okay, so cool, buddy. Um, I can go to repeater. Let's see the response for a bit. Okay, so this is cool. We can see a file. So what if I replace this whole thingy with like HC password, like simple, like HC password. Did you see anything cool? Okay, so no such file found. So, okay, this is not bad. We can always go with this way, like dot slash, like a directory traversal attack or file traversal, or LFI, like the cool kids say, or like I say. I'm one of them, right? Um, so dot and HC password. Okay, so we can see the HC password. We see a user. Okay, so this is cool. So we see a user. EC2 user. Okay, this is cool. So right now I'm just like, so here's like a quick tip. Um, maybe you can take it like a, I don't know, like so like if I get an LFI, mostly I look for things with bash or sh. So generally those are the real users through which you can log in, right? So I will go to my terminal, cd temp nano password, and I can do like something like grep cat password hip minus I bash. Because I see like three users. So the first one is nedif, uh nedf, I don't know how to say that. And then we have like EC2 user. So sounds cool, right? So I can, again, in the place of etc password, I can replace it with uh our buddy EC2 user. Let's see if we see something. Is a directory. Okay, this is cool. Can we see like dot ssh? Hmm. Is a directory. Okay, so can I see ID RSA buddy? Okay, so no such file. Okay, this is not bad. By the way, like a quick tip, you should also see like something like dot AWS, and we can definitely Google this. So AWS credential in Linux file directory. So generally, like there's a file uh, called .aws, and it has a file called credentials or credential. Um, we can look for it. So let's see credentials. Um, wait, it should give us a path, right? AWS configure credentials, a CSV. Hmm. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, so I'm just like scrolling through it, not the best way to search for an information. Okay, so we do see a doc over here located at home directory AWS config. It says like the config file is located at home directory. This basically means home directory dot AWS config on Linux or Mac. Okay, this is cool. And credentials are located in .aws credentials. So I will probably look for .aws config and then maybe credentials, right? So let's see how it goes. So aws plus config. But before that, we need to check if AWS is a directory for this user or not. So no such directories. Okay, so this is not bad. I can always check for the user nedf, right? Net or nedf, how I say it. Um, let's see, the response is a directory, which is cool. Can I see config? Config config buddy. Okay, so it's taking a while. We should see something over here. Okay, so this is taking a little bit more time. So in the meantime, I will also look for the credentials. So credentials, where are your credentials, buddy? Let me just copy the the spelling of it. Average Gen Z, guys. Uh, okay, so well, this one is also taking a while to load. Huh? This is crazy. Okay, so wait, no route to host. Okay, so it's not bad, not bad. I believe my internet is gone again. We'll see again how it goes in a bit. Okay, so I'm back again. Wow, that was embarrassing that my internet stopped working. But hey, happens with everyone, right? So I will send a request again with the hope that it works. It please, God, for the love of God, please work this time. Sending a request again, and I guess I see, US East one. Okay, this is cool, bro. Okay, so this is cool. So I got the AWS access key ID and secret key. So you will be like, oh hack, what we can do with this, right? So okay, so let's see what we can do with it. So I will go again. Go back to huge logistics. Maybe home directory. If I can go by any chance, if I can get the image to see where it's being hosted, right? So I can see like huge logistic bucket. Okay, so I can see the name of it, right? I can see the name at different places. Not the images. Like so, we know the name of the bucket. It's something like this huge logistic bucket. So what I'm gonna do will be I will just configure my AWS CLI uh to to list this particular what do we say this bucket. So I will copy this access key. I will go to my terminal. Then I can say like clear first, clear bud, AWS configure. Um, wow. Okay, so AWS configure, give the access key and paste this thing in. By the way, make sure like you paste everything, right? Make sure to paste the plus sign or the symbol too, otherwise it will not work. And for the reason we need US East 1. I will go ahead and set that. Enter. Now what we can do is AWS S3 LS and something like this, like copy this name, huge logistic bucket, right? And LS maybe. Mm, we could have also done it this way, right? So if I remove statistic, can I see anything? It's denied. Okay, no worries, friends. Okay, so I see a static directory, so I can do something like this static. Mm-hmm. I messed up with the spelling. Average Gen Z guys. Static. Um, hopefully like it should work. Fingers crossed. Uh, okay, so yeah, it did work. Wow. Okay, so S3. Will it work? Uh, like this. Will it work, bud? Um. Hmm. Let's see. Oh, like we can only see like static. Wow, like why I can't see the contents of this particular directory. It's interesting. Anyways, we have the flag, right? Okay, so I can see the contents too. I can check the JavaScript. There's like a lot of stuff which we can do with it. Uh, we can check if we have right permissions or not, but that's something for a different video, for a different lab. That's for a different day. Uh, so if you want to get the flag, you can do something like this: AWS S3 help, and you will see like you can copy the file flag.txt, and from there like yeah, like you're good to go. So like you have like cp to copy, move to move, rm. So I can do something like this: flag.txt for flag.txt, flag.txt. Specify the directory where you want to store it, temp like this for me, and at the place of ls I want to copy it, and I should see a flag in my temp directory, guys. Um, okay, so it's taking a while, right? Okay, so looks like it got copied, and I can see here. Um, word count on its characters flag.txt. Yeah, it's 32, which is cool. This is like an MD5 sum. You can go ahead and submit the flag, if you want to get the points and if you want to complete the lab. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, guys. Have fun. Happy hacking, and hopefully you will see more videos from me. So yeah, thanks for joining in. Bye. Have a great day.